Welcome. In today's walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable message notifications on the Discord app for PC with the latest update. If you're tired of constant pings distracting you while working, studying, or gaming, these steps will help you regain focus quickly and easily. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Once it launches, look in the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar along with a small gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings, you'll find a long list of options along the left-hand side. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Notifications. Click on it, and this will bring you to a dedicated page where you can adjust all the notification preferences tied to your account. From here, scroll further down the page until you see the option related to messages. By default, Discord keeps this setting enabled, which means you'll receive alerts for every direct message that comes through. If you prefer a quieter experience and don't want those pop-ups or sounds interrupting you, simply toggle this option off. The change takes effect immediately, so from this point forward, Discord will no longer send you notifications for messages. The best part is you can still receive and reply to messages whenever you want. Only now, the alerts are fully under your control. This small adjustment is especially useful if you're part of multiple communities or receive frequent direct messages that can pile up. Disabling notifications ensures that you choose when to check in without being interrupted at inconvenient times. To summarize, open Discord, click the gear icon, head to Notifications, scroll down, and disable messages. It only takes a minute, and you'll instantly notice a calmer, more distraction-free experience while using your PC. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to disable message notifications on the Discord app after the newest update. This quick tweak can make a big difference in helping you stay focused while still keeping you connected to your friends and communities.